Matapos ang en-bank session ngayong araw, inilabas ng National Police Commission o itong NAPOLCOM ang designation, assignment at reassignment sa hanay ng PNP. Ilang araw matapos tanggalin sa pwesto si General Nicolas Torre III. Sa bagong adopted resolution, mananatili si Police Lieutenant General Bernard Banac bilang Acting Deputy Chief for Administration. Si Police Major General Robert Alexander Morico II ay magiging Acting Director ng Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. Si Police Major General Anthony Abirin ay mananatiling Regional Director ng National Capital Region Police Office. Si Brigadier General Christopher Abrojano naman ay magiging Officer in Charge Commander ng APC Visayas. Si Brigadier General Paul Kenneth Lucas ay balik bilang Regional Director ng Police Regional Office 4A. Si Brigadier General Jack Wanky mula sa Pro 4A ay maililipat bilang Deputy Regional Director for Administration ng NCRPO. Si Brigadier General Romeo Macapas ay sa Personnel Holding and Accounting Unit matapos na ring suspindihin dahil sa kaso ng missing sabungeros. Si Brigadier General Arnold Ardiente, Regional Director ng Police Regional Office 12, Brigadier General William Segun, Personnel Holding and Accounting Unit na rin mula sa pagiging HPG Director. Si Colonel Hansel Marantan, ang bagong Acting Director ng Highway Patrol Group. Si Colonel Jonathan Abella, Acting Director ng Explosives and Ordnance Disposal K9 Group, at Colonel Arnold Rosero, ang Deputy Director for Administration ng EOD K9 Group. Nilagdaan ni DILG Secretary John Vic Rimulya ang resolusyon, ganun din ni na Commissioner Rafael Vicente Calinisan at Acting PNP Chief Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa atin ng Drive Max Coffee. Ligayang tuloy-tuloy!